can do tricks? You can do tricks? Oh, okay. Let's see. Wow. Oh, that's not all of it? Was that the whole trick? I wonder if Rob Dyrdek can do that. Who is Rob Dyrdek? He rides skateboards like you? He can. Can you... Oh, wow. Are you going to teach him how to ride skateboards? Are you? He could probably learn a thing or two from you. Can he? With his hands? Dirt. Are you going to give him skateboard lessons?